Hey Gretel. Hi Evi. Klondike. Klondike. Gretel. Evi, guess what, Evi? We got Big Bird coming over here. We got Big Bird coming over here. It's coming towards the house again. It's coming towards us, Evi. So we're going to pretend not to be afraid, okay? It's coming right at us. Coming in about 10 minutes, I think. Yeah. What is, you see it, Evi? You see the big bird? You see the big bird, Evi? You see the big bird, Evi? You're not afraid this time, are you, Evi? You're not afraid, huh? You're not afraid. You're not afraid. Klondike, we gonna meet Big Bird? We gonna bark at Big Bird and defend the castle tonight? Maybe. Okay. It's still hot out. Too hot. Isn't that right, Gretel? Just too hot. Too hot for September. Too hot for September. Doing okay, Evi? You doing okay? You gonna say hi to everybody? You gonna say hi? No? Okay, too hot. Gretel? Gretel always says hi. Gretel always says hi. Yeah, I know. I know. We're gonna get ready for Big Bird, aren't we? Huh? You ready for Big Bird? You ready for Big Bird? Evi, don't eat the grass. Don't eat the grass, Evi. Klondike okay? Klondike okay? You okay, Klondike? Say hi. Say hi, Klondike. No? Okay. Here comes Big Bird. Here comes Big Bird again. It's over Mr. Woe's house right now. About a half a mile away. It's coming. Evi, it's coming. Big Bird is coming tonight. He's gaining altitude. He just turned on the engine again. What is that? You see it, Evi? What is that? Is that Big Bird? You see Big Bird? Don't go in the house, Evi. Evi, 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 come here. It's not going to hurt you. It's not going to hurt you, Evi. You want to be brave? Okay, get your toy. That's good. That's good. That's good. Here comes Big Bird. Here comes Big Bird. Evi? You hear that noise, Evi? You hear that noise? We're going to stop for a little bit and come back in a little bit.